Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This session focuses on greetings and sociolinguistic scene of Pakistan. I hope and expect you would be able to understand the sociolinguistic dimensions of the use of greetings in a particular culture with specific reference to Pakistan that I'll use as, as an example. Well, my dear students, when it comes to greetings, blessings, and interjections, they play a very, very important role in the sociolinguistic context. They play a very important role in social interaction as well. When it comes to the Pakistani context, there are certain greetings that are used in certain ways and that denote certain kinds of meanings. For example, Assalamu alaikum, Khush Amdeed, and hello. If you look at these three choices, as soon as you would, hear from some speaker making any of these three choices, it would immediately, create an image of the speaker in your mind. Assalamu alaikum relates to the religious context of the country. It invokes the religious connotations. It kinds of brings that religious, affiliation and solidarity on the base of Islam into the context when it is used. As compared and contrasted to this, when somebody uses Khush Amdeed, this becomes very formal. This becomes more ceremonious, in a ceremony or in an official kind of event that is being conducted in Urdu, or on a, for example, television show that is very formal and is being conducted in Urdu language purely, or in a literary context. The person who would speak it, we would think of him or her as being a very literary kind of a person. As compared to these two, when you think of hello, this generates a few ideas in relation to the speaker. The speaker's status or position of being very casual, being informal, being modern as compared to the other two, and being westernized or at least urbanized in this context. And the choice of hi when is made, it shows as a greeting, even a more informal and casual kind of relationship that the addresser tries to establish with the addressee. In the same way, different kinds of de-greetings are also used in the Pakistani context. For example, Khuda Hafiz or Allah Hafiz. Again, they have certain connotations of the local culture and the socio-religio connotations that are attached to these two choices. Compare this with the idea of bye-bye, bye, or goodbye. The ideas that are associated with these de-greetings, by the way, are used, the kind of greetings that are used at the end of an interaction or, a conversation. So, these bye or goodbye, they show more westernized or at least urbanized or an educated, kind of orientation of the speaker. In the same way, take care shows a very casual, a very informal, I would say, but, an urbanized kind of, orientation. As far as blessings are concerned, sometimes these greetings are accompanied by some blessings as well. For example, stay blessed, take care, etc., which are very frequently used in our society. In fact, media and the social practices on media have played a very significant role in, giving, impetus to or adding speed to the use of these kind of, greetings and blessings in the society. And the frequent use of the English language greetings and blessings in our society, particularly by the youth that is educated or that is urbanized, this provides us insights into the sociolinguistic structure of Pakistan.